Welcome to the Prosis Pro Engine Specification Overview tutorial. This tutorial will guide you through the Prosis Pro Engine Specification Overview. After you have clicked on the specific engine from your search, for this example we selected a Caterpillar C15 engine, you will see 4 tabs at the top: Engine Specification, Diagram, Casting, and Parts. Included within each tab is an overview section displaying the overall engine information. Let's begin with the Engine Specification tab. Below the overview, there are 7 tabs detailing specific sections of the engine: cylinder head, cylinder block, crankshaft, connecting rod, camshaft, torque tune-up, and notes. Each tab has its own subsections with information related to that engine. You can expand or hide each subsection by clicking the arrow on the right side of the blue bar. The Notes tab details important information related to that engine, so it is always a good idea to check the Notes tab when looking up engine specifications. Let's move on to the Diagram tab at the top. The Diagram tab displays the diagrams associated with the engine. Click the image of the diagram you want to view and it appears on the right. You can either zoom into the image by hovering over a specific area, or you can click on the image to have it enlarged. To print the image, simply press the Print button below. The next tab is the Casting Numbers tab, which lists any casting numbers associated with the engine. The last tab is the Parts tab. This section can be used as a worksheet to provide a detailed record of any parts required to build the engine. For example, let's type in LBK-313 as the part number, AERA as the vendor, camshaft as the description, and 1 as the quantity, and press Save. To the right, you will see the new part has been added. You can edit your part by clicking on the pencil icon, making any changes, and pressing Update. To delete an added part, simply press the trash icon. If there are any related bulletins to the engine, a button will appear with the number of related bulletins in the Overview section. To view, simply press the Related Bulletins button. To the right of the 4 tabs are options to return to search results or print. Press the Print button to print your engine specifications. The Print Manager window will open, allowing you to select all or select different sections of the engine you would like to print. To learn more about engine specifications, how to create a custom engine, bulletins, shop counter, and shop tools, we recommend watching the related tutorial videos.